welcome to another episode of Hugo Smokes. I'm your host, Hugo. Today we have another cigar unboxing. This time it's from JR Cigars. Just received this bad boy yesterday. Let's open it up. I got some fancy bubble spacers. All right. First up, we got the Ferio Tego Timeless Prestige collection in Robusto. Guys, I smoked this in a Corona size. And I loved it, so I went ahead and bought the Robusto gauge. See what the difference is. I hope it's as tasty as the Corona. That might be my number one cigar of the year. And I got a mystery pack from them. Don Pepin Garcia Vegas Cubanas and Robusto 5x50. Interesting. Guys, I don't think I'm allowed to say how much I paid for this mystery pack, but it's a fraction of what other mystery packs, popular mystery packs out there. It's a fraction. If you guys want to know exactly how much I paid for this, hit me up. And yeah, so and last but not least, got myself a box of these Upmann Añejados and Churchill 7x50. Actually, Upmann, it's a OG brand. It's been along for a long time. I have smoked the Upmann. I think it's a 1899, if I'm not mistaken, in Toros. Amazing stick, and again, this is a deal that I found from JR Cigars, and I could not let this go. I'm not sure, it says Bovita, but there's no Bovita in here. Guys, look at this. Look at the presentation on this box. It's just immaculate. H. Upmann. H. Upmann. Let's take one out. Maybe there's a Bovita. Is there a Bovita somewhere? Oh yeah. Yep, there's a Bovita back here. Because it has a sticker, a Bovita sticker. It had a Bovita sticker in the back. You see that? So yeah, they got a 10 gram. Oh, this is not that common, a 10 gram Bovita. That's pretty cool. All right, I actually have the information on these up here. This is a Habano 2000 wrapper over Corojo binder and Honduran and Nicaraguan fillers. This is gonna be a nice stick. Look at this, guys. So the notes on the website says this should give you flavors of pepper, salted cashews, wood, spice, and tobacco sweetness. That sounds like a winter stick for sure. So I'm excited to light one of these up, maybe for Christmas. All right, guys, stay tuned for a short review on these cigars. I'm so busy with, you know, personal stuff that I only have time to do shorts on these sticks. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content. And like always, stay tuned for the next one. See ya.